what you're given, that's how we live it. Don't be mad at the system, it's simply how we've existed. I hear a lot of people talk.
Hello everyone, hello my beautiful people, my people, how nandi. Today na about Micheal Okorie, Micheal wey im mama die, we just do burial or free saint. I was like, if you get good people, it good though. If you get good people around you, it is very, very nice. When I see the way people take support, the way people take come to Micheal mama burial, I shocked. You know, when I even see say mama die, I shock. I say, he say mama don't me like that. You young woman, may I so rest the perfect peace. The thing shocked me like seriously, my people. The thing it shocked me when I see say his mama die. I was like, oh, no wonder. And then I really see the way people take support the Lollywood, all of them go. This girl Angela, you know, they say they don't believe say Angela go for come because the way they feed, the way they form, you know, but they can't surprise, she can't shockalize them when they can't say and say she come, you know. I really did happy when I see her for there, you know, when people really go and they really spray money, finish and with money. I was like, hey. If you get good people around you, it's too good though. It's too good, my people. Come see the way our Zubby. Undala. The way Zubby take spray money. Zubby not your spray. Zubby they carry a bundle. They come out. They carry a bundle. Bah. You can see carry am again. Bah. I was like, Am I? Is Zubby kidding me right now? Am I dreaming? He not just they spray the money. She in they carry a bundle. They carry a comment. They carry a comment. Now I say I really happy. Say I see people support her like that. Not be only film. Not just art. But they could just go a separate way. It not go like that. But the way Unatel really support this our sister, it really did bam way. I really did good. And I really tried the one to support her. You know, when I see the baby, I shocked her eyes. I say, that is very good. It's good if you get better people around you. You really did good. Where they bam. If you get better people around you. So I go put the video. Mona see my darling people. Okay, now the ogbonge matter where they grand do, my people. So I say I always advise people, you know, if you get better people around you, people go still support you if you do anything. You understand? See the way they support Micheal, they really support her. They really make her know say she get people around her, so that make she not see today sad for this in mama. We may so, you know, the person may not be saying happiness or na a good thing before, but what the person go do? Everybody must still go one day, you know. So now be the thing. So thank you, my darling people. I will put the video more na see. Okay.
Zubby,